How to start a laundry business.
Welcome you here. I am speaking book. You don't read the book. Allow me to read it for you. We lead you to the world of the knowledge. Just exchange your a few minutes to skill with us now. Please keep listening and watching. Wondering how to start a laundry business and how we make money. Laundry is an essential part of life for most people. No one in the world always buys new clothes without washing. That's why clean clothes are in demand and we make money. A laundry business will be too. After all, not everyone has their washer and dryer, or the time or desire to wash their clothes themselves. This makes starting a business in the laundry industry a great option for budding entrepreneurs. Use this guide to learn how to buy equipment, find a location, and more. To launch a business of your own, if you're wondering how to start a laundry business, this guide is here to help. So let's get started.
How to start a laundry business in 10 steps. We're going to cover all of the crucial first steps you need to take to get your laundry business started. You may be eager to open your doors as soon as possible, but taking the time to plan and set up your business through the proper channels can help ensure a successful start.
1. Decide what kind of laundry business you want to start. If you're already thinking about starting a laundry business, if you're still exploring your options, we'll go through a few of the laundry business formats you should consider before deciding. Laundry businesses are most popular in areas with lots of apartment buildings or where people don't necessarily have their own washing machines. You may choose to open a laundry business that allows customers to come in and do their laundry using your machines, or you can also offer wash and fold services, where customers can drop off their laundry and then pick it up once it's done. Some laundry businesses also offer pickup and delivery. 2. Write a business plan. You can get down to writing your business plan. Your business plan will be on the longer side, think 30 to 50 pages, and it will provide a comprehensive overview and actionable plan for taking your laundry business to a profitable endeavor. Your business plan should include a summary and information about the type of business you want to start, including your structure and any other key employees besides yourself. It should also include market analysis. This analysis should show that there is a high demand in your area for a laundry business, as well as outline any competitors, who your target customer is, and more. Where you're getting your startup capital, whether or not you'll be seeking any extra funding, and projections for when you think you'll actually start making money with your new laundry business. 3. Choose a business name. One of the most fun parts of learning how to start a laundry business is choosing the business name. Think of all the clever, catchy, and memorable names you can come up with, but make sure it's also describing your business and is memorable and easy to pronounce. Once you have some ideas, you can look up whether your business name is available online in most states. The Secretary of State website will likely be the best resource for checking business name availability, though some states have a different agency handling this business process, such as the Chamber of Commerce Department. 4. Choose a business entity. Another decision about your laundry business that you'll have to make early on is which business entity you'll choose to legally structure your business. Choosing the right business entity is crucial, as it affects how you pay taxes, how much risk you'll be exposed to, how you'll organize your business, and more. For example, if you decide to start your laundry business as a limited liability company, you'll have liability protection for yourself and other business members. On the other hand, if you opt for something like a general partnership or sole proprietorship, you won't have liability protection, but you also won't have to register your business with the state.
5. Register your business and get an EIN. All of businesses have to register with the state. Sole proprietorships and general partnerships likely will not. Most will need to take this step in order to legally operate. Some states allow businesses to register online, typically through the Secretary of State or Chamber of Commerce website, but other states require businesses to register in person with paper documents. It's always wise to consult a business lawyer who can help you keep track of the documents and registrations your business needs to file. It's also a good idea for most businesses to apply for an employer identification number or an EIN. This number is helpful for businesses when applying for a bank account, filing taxes, and more. It's sometimes referred to as a business tax ID number.
6. Get the proper permits and licenses. The licenses and permits you need to run your laundry business will vary depending on the state where you'll be operating. You may need to get a more general business license in addition to more specific licenses, such as a health department license or water pollution control permit. Some states and cities even have specific laws around laundry facilities and businesses that provide laundry services. If you plan to do pickup and delivery services too, there are other licenses you'll need, pertaining to your business vehicles. Overall, this is another step where it would highly benefit you to consult a business attorney, as licensing rules vary largely depending on the state, city.
7. Find a location. It's now time to get serious about finding the location for your laundry business. Although some smaller operations may be able to be run out of a home, if you're only doing drop-off, pickup service, for instance, you'll likely want to find a commercial space. Keep in mind, a laundry business will require specific plumbing and waterline hookups, or the structural bones for these to be added. Finding the right space is important, but equally as important is making sure it's in the right location. In fact, finding a location with a demonstrated need for a laundromat business is probably the most important step of them all. 8. Get the proper equipments. You need to turn your attention to buying the equipment to make your laundry business operational. Depending on the size of your business, some other essential laundromat equipment besides the washers and dryers themselves to get are laundry carts, oversized washing machines, soap dispensers, vending machines, clothes drying rack, ironing board, detergents, stain removers, and other more.
9. Market your laundromat. The great way to get people coming through your doors is by marketing your business around areas where your target customers like to frequent. For instance, if a sizable portion of your customers is college students, you may want to pass out flyers at popular coffee shops or college bars. Nowadays, many people search online to find new businesses. Make sure your business is easy to find online by creating a user-friendly website, which should list basic business information like your business hours, your business address, and contact information. List in Google Business and promotes in social media like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, and others. 10. Get insurance. Laundry business shop needs several types of business insurance to be fully covered. General liability insurance protects the business if a customer is ever injured while on the business property. This insurance can cover costs like legal fees that result from the accident. Commercial property insurance protects the shop against property loss and supplies after an event, like a fire. Workman's comp insurance helps cover potential expenses like medical bills or lost wages if an employee is ever hurt. Factors like the shop's location, the value of the building and equipment, and the number of employees on staff can all affect insurance.
If you like Speaking Book, click thumb up and subscribe to the channel to gain more on your knowledge of the time watching videos. In case you think we missed something, please leave your comments and suggestions down below. We would love to hear from you. We hope that this provided you with not enough information and confidence to step out of your knitting. Or you do have any questions, ask. Just write it down in the video comment box. Recommended reading. You may also enjoy the following books. Thanks for watching.